Welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to transform the data and load into Power BI. So let's start. So I have this sample data and let me show you. So this is the data I have in the form of notepad and in the form of txt file in a notepad. So I just want to load this data in Power BI and I want to make a dashboard. But when I am just loading this data in Power BI, the format is not correct to make a dashboard or create a perfect dashboard. So let's see first how the data looks. So we have opened our Power BI. So in previous video, we have learned how to install Power BI. Also, we have learned how to make different dashboards as well for the finance and the other data as well we have checked. So you can watch that videos and get more understanding. But in this video, we will see about the transforming data in Power BI. So first, let's see. First, import our the existing data, and then let's transform it. So I have the file in the form of sample.txt, and I'll just open it. And this is the data I have, and I just load it into Power BI. And after loading, you can see it is added in the data pane. And once I just open it, I can see the format is not correct. Like whenever we are adding any chart, let me show you. So we have added this chart, and once we are entering data like column. So I have entered one data in this x-axis and y-axis. So, but here too we can see the data is correct. But while loading, we are not able to see what was the column name for that. So this kind of changes I need to do in my data. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this data. I'll just delete model from this Power BI and I'll transform the data and then I'll add to. Then I'll load the data. So for that, what we need to do, we just need to go to the get data option, then select the option from which you are importing. So we are doing from the txt. Just select your data, and now we have to click on here the transform data option we have. So we have to change this column name and all. So we just click on the transform data and it will open in Power Query Editor. So this is the way we can transform our data. So let's edit. So what I'll add here, the partner names, like who is the partner, government, mid market, or anything. Then we'll add the country. Then we'll add the product name. Then we'll add the bonus, or we can add discount. Then we'll add the sale price. Then we'll add the manufacturer price. Then next what we'll add, the profit. And next will be the sale sales. Next will be the currency. And the next column will have total sale. Then next column will have gross profit, and the last column will be it's at GST. So this is the changes I have done in my data. I have just entered the column names. You can see here rename column name option is added in properties option. So we have done this, and now what we have to do? We have to apply this and close this sheet. So what we'll do here, we have the option apply and close. So we'll just click on apply and close, and the data will load. You can see data is loaded, the sample data. So the last column which we have in our data, it is the same only. So we'll delete these columns as we don't need that. But other columns which we have added, that is done successfully. Now let's create the dashboard. So first we'll go one by one visual and we'll create the dashboard. So first one is stack bar. So we'll select it. So this is the stack bar, and we need to show data of the sales, profit, the manufacturer price in the same. So what we'll do, we'll just first we need the sales. So we'll get sales and add to y-axis. Then we'll get a profit and add to x-axis. So you can see we get the data for the sales and profit. Now what we need to show profit and the gross profit in the same uh, chart. So what we'll do, we'll just select the gross profit and add into x-axis. So you can see our gross profit and our normal profit both are added in the same chart. Now we don't need this chart, or we need a different chart. So what I will do, we'll just select this chart and we'll select the chart which we want. So let's select this one. So you can see the previous chart was like this. Let's see in the bigger mode. So for that we have here a focus mode option. So if you click on this, it will get into in a bigger screen. So this is the data. Now I want to change this to different chart. So what I'll do, I'll just select the chart which I want. So you can see it is changed. Now let's do the line chart with this, or else we can do the area chart, then the stack area chart. So in this way we can change the charts. So this was the chart we have done. Now I want to go to the my normal to chart. So what I'll do, I'll just click on back to report, so it will show me in the original price. So if you see here, if we hover our cursor on the particular column or the chart, it is showing two options. One is sales and second one is profit. So with the sale and profit, I just need to show the uh, country for that. So what I'll do, I'll just add tooltips. Here we have option tooltips. So I'll just get country and add in tooltips. So once I hover over the cursor again, it will show me the country as well. So you can see in a first it is showing the country as Mexico, then second one is Canada, Germany. So in this way, if you require, you can show the country details as well. So in this way you can transfer the data from the text file to the Power BI readable format. So it will easy to us to create a dashboard.